Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have admin access so changes apply instantly. Without it, you'll need permissions first. Once you're signed in, navigate to campaigns and sort by status to see active ones. Pause the campaign budget or set an end date to stop spend now. This prevents new auctions. Also check for shared budgets. Pausing a shared budget halts multiple campaigns. Make sure to note campaign names and dates so you can reverse changes later if needed. Next, you disable the delivery layer by pausing ad groups and individual ads so no creatives serve. Pause responsive ads, image ads, and discovery assets. Leaving assets active can still cause impressions in some cases. Then remove or toggle off extensions like site links and callouts to reduce visibility. Don't forget to inspect automated rules, scripts, and any linked platforms like Merchant Center or third-party tools that could re-enable ads. Turn those off or update rules to prevent accidental restarts. Finally, you stop billing actions. Pause or remove payment methods and set a billing threshold if needed so charges don't continue. Then verify, refresh campaign and ad group statuses, review change history for any automated reversals, and inspect the Recommendations tab for reactivation suggestions. If ads still run, check account-level automated rules, third-party APIs, or linked accounts that might override pauses. Disable those first. When everything shows paused and no spend appears in the next billing cycle, you're done.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.